Hello there. Welcome back to our Mastery of X channel. It's time for another math adventure. Let us discover the beauty of numbers today. For today's video, we have solving simple equations using bar models. First, we have simple addition equation. Using bar models to solve simple addition equation is a fantastic way to visually understand the relationship between numbers. Here's how you can use bar models for addition. Considering the first equation here, x plus 4 equals 9. To use bar model, we have here, we can see that in the first segment, it represents the x. The second segment represents the 4, and the total length represent the 9. The bar model shows that x and 4 together, that will make 9. So, to find x, we need to determine what value, when added to 4, it gives us 9. I know that you can have already the answer by guessing only because we know that when we add 5 from 4, it becomes 9. But we need to know the basic concept, or we need to know the process in math, how to solve this. To know what number added to 4 to make it 9. Then, we need to subtract 4 from both sides. Now, my question is, why is it that we need to subtract 4 from both sides, not any other number like subtract by 2, subtract by 5, or subtract by any number? The answer here is, I will give you a hint. What will be the given number here is 4. So, that number will be subtracted like x plus 4. How could you eliminate 4 from the x to isolate the x in the left side? So simply you subtract 4 from 4 so that it will become 0. Because you subtracted 4 in the left side, you can do it also in the right side. Okay, so x plus 4 minus 4, it becomes 0. So that gives you x. And then 9 minus 4, that gives you 5. So now your x is equal to 5. Okay, the second equation, sample equation, x plus 3 equals 7. In the bar models, the first segment represents the x, the second segment represents the 3, and the total length represents the 7. So the bar model shows that x and 3 together, that gives us 7. So to find x, we subtract 3 from 7 so that x is equal to 7 minus 3. So your x now is equal to 4. Is it simple? Okay. So let me know that you understand it. Considering this exercise, find x in the equation x plus 10 equals 13. Comment below your answer and explanation or any insights. Now, let's proceed to part 2, the simple subtraction equation. How to use bar models to subtract. Let us consider the 3 keywords here, which are very important to subtract using bar models. We have here the whole, the part, and the difference. The first one is the whole. And then when we divide the whole, we have the parts. Like for example, when we divide the whole into 2 parts, we have part here. I label this part, and the another is difference. But actually, they have 2 parts because I divided it into 2. So we only have name difference here just to relate into subtraction. Okay. Considering equation 1, x minus 2 equals 15. To use the bar model, so we have here, as a whole, we have x because we do not know yet. Then the x as a whole, we divide it into 2 parts. The first segment below is the 2, represent the 2, and the second segment below represent the 15. So the bar model shows that x minus 2 equals 15. So to find x, we add 2 to 15 so that x is equal to 2 plus 15. As we have seen in the model, so we can see that when we add together 2 and 15, that will give us the x. So therefore, our x is equal to 2 plus 15. That gives us 17. Okay? Okay, let us have another example. X minus 8 equals 26. So in the bar model, as a whole, we have x because we do not know yet. And then the first part is 8 and the second part is 26. So to find the x, we simply combine the 8 and 26. So we add 8 plus 26. That will be our x. That gives us 34. And now x minus 8 equals 26. So our x is equal to 34. So another exercise, find x in the equation x minus 10 equals 13. Comment your answer below and your explanation also. So this is the end of our video for today. But remember, math is fun when we do it together. Keep solving and evolving. See you in the next episode of our Mastery of X. Bye-bye.